How do I use Gemini? Gemini can answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way, and it can also complete different tasks as instructed, like summarizing documents, creating different creative text formats, and translating languages. It works with Google Workspace extensions like Gmail, Drive, Sheets, and Docs. Using Gemini with Workspace, find information in emails, documents, and spreadsheets. Ask Gemini to summarize documents and spreadsheets or answer questions about them. Tips for high-quality outputs. Understanding complex topics. Briefly summarize the concept followed by your question. Analyzing documents. Use at Google Drive with your query or specific instructions. Analyzing images. Ask Gemini to analyze the image from a specific perspective. Finally, pin prompts you like for easy access.